how would you like to come to our studio and get direct feedback and work with me and my team on your speech and get a recording and professional photos by a professional photographer. And you'll also have an opportunity to find out how you can speak on my stage. Now look, speaking and presenting is the most valuable skill you'll ever learn. And in my opinion, your decision that you make right now could be the most important decision you can make for the rest of your life. And know that this is limited to a very small group. It's intimate. It's an opportunity to come to our studio here in San Diego, California. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to have an opportunity to work on your speech with direct interactive feedback with me in a very small, very, very small, intimate environment. And you're going to get feedback, you're going to get support, you're going to get recommendations, and you're also going to get some really, really cool deliverables. So in addition to the training, we're going to give you some really powerful templates that you're going to be able to use to create your presentation. You're going to be able to perform and record your 10-minute talk. We're going to have a professional makeup and hair person here to make you up. So when you're on camera and you're on our stage, you're going to have a fantastic recording. That also means we're going to give you speaker headshots that are ready to help you get and book deals on stage as well. That means that you're going to be presenting on camera. We're going to get you absolutely camera confident, and we've done this before. Everyone walks away completely enthusiastic and ready to go, feeling absolutely great about themselves. It doesn't matter what level of experience or expertise you're in. Now, we're also going to give you the Ultimate Speakers Kit. These are some additional resources that aren't available anywhere else. And look, I know one of the reasons that you're interested in Speak and Profit in the first place is you're looking for experience, you're looking for exposure, and you're looking for an audience. And this is something that you're not going to get anywhere else. In fact, as far as I know, no one else does anything like this. So besides being able to go through the course, which you're going to have instant access to, you get prepared, you show up at the studio, you're going to work side by side with me and my team. We're going to help you work on that speech, and you're going to get feedback from everyone else in the room. And this is a friendly, intimate, awesome environment. You're going to love the people who we attract because they're people just like you. Now, what I will tell you is that normally this is a $7,000 value, okay? Which by itself is great if you think about it. Getting this exposure, getting access to an audience, being able to be integrated in our product. Did I say in our product? Yes, we're going to put you in our product. You're going to get feedback and access to the Facebook group, but being able to get feedback and advice from 20 people all at once and myself and my team, well, that cannot be easily accessed anywhere else. And you're going to walk out of here absolutely confident in yourself and knowing what to do. So with that speech, it's going to be a 10-minute speech, but you can expand it and grow it into a larger speech. It can become your 1-hour speech, your platform presentation, your TED Talk, a product, a book. There is literally no limit to what you can do with this thing. And as I had mentioned earlier, I'm scouting out and looking for people who I think I can put on my platform as well. So that's an opportunity for you as well. That is the competition part of this, but the key thing is that you get in here right now before we run out of space. So again, it's a $7,000 value. You won't get a better deal than right now during this special promotional opportunity, and we are going to sell out fast. So you'll want to make your decision right away, but I can't wait to meet you and see you here in beautiful San Diego and to be able to work with you and hone that perfect signature talk that you need and want so badly.